guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we're gonna discover, we're gonna experiment Google Gemini 3. So Google Gemini 3 is the Google's newest generation of multi-model AI. Models built as the successor of Gemini 1.5 and Gemini 2, and it is designed to be faster, more accurate, more reliable, and capable of handling complex multimodal reasoning across like text, image, audio, and more. So we are gonna discover, we are gonna experiment, alright? So let's go and let's try it. Alright. So basically you can go type Google Gemini, or there's two ways to access Google Gemini. So you can type Google Gemini in the search bar, and you can see Google AI Studio. You can click this link, or you can see Google DeepMind. Alright, then you can try Google Gemini, try Gemini, or try in Google AI Studio. And in here it's like Google AI Studio. Alright, so before starting, I have prepared few um, prompts. What will I discover? What will I try? All right. So let's try the ask some basic questions. Let's try to ask some mathematics questions. Um, all right. So Google Gemini has given our answer already. That's a simple multiplication problem. And yeah, the answer is 24. Let's ask one more question. Um, okay, so it's a simple subtraction problem which I've asked Google Gemini, and they have given me the answer. Now I would like to ask a riddle question. By the way, if you're confused what to ask, just experiment basically. But uh, whatever I'm typing right now, I have prepared a Notion link, so you guys can follow along. All right, you can, yeah, this is just a basic help, but otherwise it's better to ask your own questions. All right, and let's ask a riddle question. Okay, I have asked a basic riddle question, and the answer is actually right. You are a math. That's the answer. Now I would like to ask Gemini to build something. Alright. For that, I will go to my Notion, which I prepared, and I would like to tell uh, Google Gemini, you know, to create like a. Okay, let's try to create this one, a short AI video script. Alright, let's try. Okay, but before sending, let's just change the name. Let's say mom, and again, for you can enter any name you want. You can put your name as well. All right, and let's send. Okay, so Google Gemini has given us a video script. All right, if you are confused, but this is actually like it's not really needed. But if you are still confused, this can plan your surprise or anything. Right now, this is just actually a simple thing. Now let's try to tell Google Gemini. I have actually copied this one. Let's try to create image flashcards. All right. Okay. So we have given 12 illustrated flashcards. All right. About one riddle. So basically, you can build anything you like. All right. Now I would like to try. Let's create a game. Okay. This is a game prompt. All right. Let's go all the way down and copy this. But let's see our result how it is. All right. Basically, you just need to be good in prompts, in writing prompts. All right. Okay. And Google Gemini has given us a code. So those who are not really good in coding but you're interested in building something, you can ask Google Gemini also. All right. This is the whole code, and this is the code. And let's check the preview one. Okay. Select 3 to 6 ingredients and let the AI chef create a masterpiece. Okay, let's select chicken, uh, chili, and tomato. I have only select three. Okay, all right. Basically, it's okay, but it can be better. Okay, but if you want to build something else, um, let's try to build something else. Let's try to build a sandbox game. I've make a prompt as well. Again, if you're confused how to start, you can use my Notion link. I'll put in the description below. But overall, I think it's better to use your own creativity, your own prompt, and it's not that really hard. It's like just searching something in Google. Okay, AI creation. Um, let's create. Okay, this I think this could be better, but if you find it's not really working, let's try to refresh first. Okay, basically the game is not really working. But no worries, you can just add some prompts to make it fixed. Alright, this is just an example. Okay, this could be better. Now let's try to create something. Oh, this is so helpful, especially for the teachers. Okay, now let's try to tell Gemini to create a worksheet. Let's see how it is. Okay, this is the riddle challenge and it's quite simple. So this can be helpful for especially for the teachers of creating their own worksheets. If you don't have any idea, you can just tell Google Gemini to give suggest you an idea and Google Gemini will suggest you the ideas. Plus, they will give you the worksheets as well. They will provide you the worksheets, but don't forget to tweak. Alright, now let's try to create an app creation. Now, I found this friendship fixer app which sounds very unique, but I don't know how this is. So I really want to try how this is, how it will, how it's gonna work. So if you have any what do you call if you have any problem with your friend, then you can this app can simply help you. Friendship repair assistant. Actually, I've never heard this app before. It's like it sounds very unique though. Can be helpful for us if we're having any. Okay, describe the issue with your friend. We had a huge fight about money, and now they aren't answering my calls. Um, Let me just say that I feel like my friends are ignoring me. Let me just analyze the situation. This is just a simple prompt, guys. Okay, and they will give you the full result also. What your friend may be feeling, what you may be feeling, a calm message to send, one immediate step to repair. So I think this one can be a what do you call this is a thumbs up for me, a friendship fixer. Again, let's try AI Montessori Parent Helper app. Oh, this is also very unique. Let's say our child age is 2 years. Okay, throws toys. Now let's see, get Montessori guidance. Let's see how this app works. They they will give the explanation why what the child is truly seeking, the child really needs, and what the parent should do if you're implementing in your house, Montessori activities in your house. So this can be very helpful. So this is an thumbs up for me as well. We are gonna create a website creation as well, a starter generator, a social media fixer, a book builder, AI UGC script builder. So we are gonna choose one of them and we're gonna experiment. All right, now we are done with the app builder, app creation. Now let's try to create website creation. Okay, this is a good one. Uh, those who are starting a startup, you know, this can be a, a helpful prompt. Those who are starting a startup. So it's a AI micro startup generator, and I have given a detailed prompt. Let's see how the result is. Okay, they will ask you a few questions first. What is the purpose and uh, what is the need? What is the topic? The content? I have answered the question. Now let's see how the result is. Okay, basically it's like a e-commerce shop, e-commerce startup site. This can be better. Now let's try. I think this one is a good idea. AI book builder. Those who loves building books, creating ebooks. This can be helpful. Okay, AI book builder. Generate a complete structure book draft from any single topic. Let's say, okay, this is good. It can give you the whole map, the whole plan, and they will give you the chapter overview also. So this is a thumbs up for me. They can give you the cover and the layout, chapter overview, style and tone selector. You can select the writing selector. That's just emotional, actually youthful, and summary and key ideas. So this is a thumbs up for me. Those who likes to create books, who likes to write books. So this can be a good help. Now, last but not the least, I will tell um, Gemini to create a comic. You know, let's see how the result is. Okay. Okay, so we have given a comic style. We have choose Nano Banana as their topic. Get started with Nano Banana Pro. Gemini to create a new one. So this is the good one though, a good one. All right, so I think that's it.